Hi guys, how is it going? It's Sabi here again with another new video. So in today's video, I will tell you everything you need to know about Flybuys. If you are shopping in Australia, you have probably heard of Flybuys, one of the country's most popular loyalty programs. In this video, I will break down everything you need to know about Flybuys, how to sign up, earn points, redeem rewards, and use your phone to manage it all. Let's get started. Flybuys is a free loyalty program that lets you earn points when you are shopping at major Australian retailers like Coles, Kmart, Target, Officeworks, Bunnings, Shell Coles Express, and many others. For every $1 you spend, you earn 1 Flybuys point, and those points can be used for money off your groceries. It means that whatever groceries you buy from Coles or other stores and spend money on it, you earn points on that. To join Flybuys, just head to the website called flybuys.com.au or download the Flybuys app from the App Store or Google Play. You will need to enter your name, email address, and phone number. You will get a digital card instantly, and a physical card is optional. Once you are signed up, your Flybuys card lives in the app. Just open the app and tap card at checkout to scan it. No need for physical or plastic card. You can even add Flybuys to your Apple Wallet or Google Wallet for faster access. You can boost your points by activating offers in the app. Go to the Offers tab, tap Activate in the ones you want. Make sure you activate them before shopping. These offers often give 10 points, bonus points, or discount on certain products. Spend $30 or more at Coles and you will unlock a digital fuel offer in the app. Choose between 4 cents per liter off at Shell Coles Express or 8 Flybuys points per liter. Just scan your Flybuys card at the pump and tell the staff which offer you are using. Once you have earned at least 2,000 points, you can start redeeming. That's worth $10 off your shopping. You can use points for money off your shop at Coles, Kmart, or Liquorland, gift cards, flights, or holiday visa, or holidays via Flybuys travel. Velocity points: 1,000 Flybuys points equal 500 velocity. To redeem at checkout, just say, "Use my Flybuys points." Did you know you can also link your Flybuys to Coles app, get personalized deals, activate offers inside Coles, and track your receipts and Flybuys usage? While your Flybuys number isn't as sensitive as your password, still don't share it publicly. If someone else scans your number, they can earn points and possibly redeem them if they access your account. Here is how to get the most out of Flybuys. Always scan your card before purchase. Activate offers weekly. Use your app to track bonus point days. Shop during promo events like Flybuys bonus weeks. Link with Velocity for travel rewards. And that's it guys. Now you know exactly how to use Flybuys. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more shopping tips. See you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.